You ever looked at your bank account after payday and wondered where all your money went? Like, seriously, where does it vanish to? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Chime. That free bank account that promises to save you money. But does it really? How much money does Chime actually give you? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what Chime is. It's a fintech company that offers fee-free checking and savings accounts. No overdraft fees, no minimum balance, and they even have a built-in budgeting tool. Sounds great, right? But free doesn't always equal profit. So, how does Chime make money? Well, it's primarily through interchange fees. Every time you use your Chime card, the merchant pays a small fee. Chime gets a cut of that. It's like a tiny commission on every purchase. But don't worry, it doesn't affect what you pay. Now, let's get to the juicy part. How much money can you actually make with Chime? The short answer is, it depends. Spot me, this is Chime's overdraft protection feature. It's not a loan, it's more like a short-term cash advance. You can overdraw your account by up to $200, and you'll have to pay a fee to use it again. It's a helpful feature in a pinch, but it's not free money. Early direct deposit. If you get your paycheck deposited early, you might get access to your money up to 2 days early. This isn't extra money, but it can help with cash flow. Cashback rewards. Some Chime cards offer cashback rewards. It's not a lot, but every little bit helps. Savings Builder. Chime Savings Builder automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings account. It's a painless way to save. So, while Chime doesn't directly give you money, it can definitely help you save money. No overdraft fees, early access to your paycheck, cashback rewards, and automatic savings can add up over time. But remember, Chime isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool. A good tool, but still a tool. The real key to financial success is budgeting, spending wisely, and saving consistently. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is Chime right for me? Well, that depends on your financial situation and goals. If you're looking to save money on bank fees and want a simple way to budget, Chime could be a good option. But do your research, compare it to other options, and don't rely on it to solve all your financial problems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.